they use remote. The guy won't start the car dey off with remote. 1 2 go. The car dey reverse the car dey reverse Hey! The first Nigerian car, homemade car, wey get remote. Nigerians, if you're watching this video and you love good talent, I'd like you to first of all share this video. Share this video first. Let's support this guy. I want this video to go viral as far as it can. This car they carry 10 bags of cement. 5 liters from Calabar to Benin. Yes. It's gone.
5 liters of fuel in this car can take this car to Benin and finish.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best homemade car in Nigeria. Quote me anywhere. As we dey spray, more go come. Amen. As we dey spray, more go come. 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 Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, see. You know, I've been seeing this online. I've been seeing different different people inventing different kind of cars in Nigeria. But see, the features in these cars will shock you. This is one of the best homemade car in Nigeria, and it's right here in Calabar, Cross River State. See, I don't know what we go call him. Now, Mr. Bush should get this type of logo.
That's a BMW.
Now Volkswagen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take you to the GLE. Now let's take you to the inventor. May he tell us things about this car. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are with the inventor of this vehicle, this car. Chairman, I greet you.
Well done.
How you doing?
I'm fine, you know.
So me myself, we people about told you we don't hear say get one guy we create car for Calabar, but we no see him. Don't you say don't see something like that, but we say no more will come meet, make we dey sure say yes, true. This car they move. I mean just show around of the car first. Show. So tell us about this car. How this whole dream take start?
Yeah, thank you very much. Since Nigerian government are banning Okada in some of the cities, and those men, when you go to the street, you discover that a lot of Okada people, some of them has master's degree holders, they have different certificates.
But even we enter, no day inside. I want no day inside the sedan. More sedan. I want sedan.
Different certificates.
I want feed the car.
They are having different certificates, and the government have bound this Okada.
Okay.
That Okada should never work again. In most especially in Calabar. So I decided. So the police were arresting Okada.
You been a driver Okada?
Yes, I was driving Okada before.
Okay.
The police people were arresting Okada, selling, auctioning them to scrap. They'll go and be destroying the engine, melting it. So I decided to start converting Okada engine to 4 tires, to a car, to a full car. So trying to let the world to know that yes, it is possible to look for another alternative. So I decided to use Okada engine to build this car.
Okada engine.
Yes. This is a car.
So tell us some of the features within inside this car.
This is a car I built. This is a manual car.
Manual car.
Yes, it has 3 pedals. If you can drive this one, you can drive manual car. So this is the throttle. This is the brake. Why this is the clutch. It's normal car like a normal manual car. A normal manual car. This is a gear selector.
What do you take to do this gear selector?
This gear selector, this is a just normal stainless iron. I picked it from the dustbin.
Okay.
Then this one, this small lever is the auxiliary lever. It's very, very powerful. When once I get to a swamping area and I engage it, it will pass. Then this is this car is back axle.
Okay.
There's a difference between back axle. Let me explain. All these cars that Nigerians are importing, a lot of them are like Toyota Spider, all those small flashy cars. They are front wheel drive, but this one is back axle. I decided to bring out back axle, the model, the pattern of Mercedes, BMW.
So what pattern? Which pattern did they build this car?
I use a pattern of G-Wagon to build this one.
G-Wagon.
Yes, I use a pattern of G-Wagon because G-Wagon has 4-wheel drive, and this one here is this is back axle. I am just believing God, if Nigerian government will just turn their face on me to really know what is my intention. I'm going to do more than this.
My guys, see
I built this car for transportation. This is just a skeleton. I want to make it comfortable for the masses to use. I am supposed to fix glasses here, the windscreen, the back windscreen.
How did they come about the dream?
Yes, I see technology through my dream.
You learn them?
No, it is an inspiration from God. I did not learn it from anywhere. I went to secondary school because God gave me a people that were there. There was a mechanic workshop there. I talked to one man there that has a mechanic workshop, automobile mechanic workshop. He gave me a space. That is where I stayed to build this.
So all this
car drives. I drove 3 liters of fuel from Ikom down to Calabar.
3 liters of fuel.
Yes.
I beg, make una explain Ikom to Calabar normal motor.
No.
It's very
hours?
fuel economical.
He come to Calabar.
About 180 kilometers or so. I don't know.
Leave them.
Come. No more. See, he come to Calabar. Is about 100 and something kilometers.
Yeah,
how many hours?
Is about 5 hours. Abi? 5. No.
Yes, 5 or 6 hours.
5 or 6 hours. Now you use 3 liters.
3 liters. When was this car? Well, how the magic is that? Because people
wait. I dey come. Wait. You go use 3 liters drive for 5 or 6 hours.
Yes, in this car.
Wow.
Let me give you the illustration.
Let's go.
When you put fuel in this car, when once you start, the car will start. When once it starts, the fuel supply on the carburetor will cease. The car will only be moving with the evaporation.
Quickly.
Only the odor. When once the odor enters, the thing pump. It has a pump. I have converted this carburetor.
I beg, show the carburetor. Come.
What type of carburetor was that?
This is a machine carburetor. It sucks air from here, from this hose here.
So now, if you were to produce like many of these cars, like
if government supports you,
so how you go take they get all the all the parts?
If the Nigerian government support me to produce this,
yeah, how you go they get the parts?
I will be getting the part from scrap. Then if Nigerian government support me, I am going to start molding engine, because with all this engine we are using for building, we are borrowing it from the white, and I'm angry.
Wait, you even mold your own engine?
When I have blast funnel, there is something called blast funnel where I can melt and cast. I'll use this clay soil to mount an engine, to melt.
If you're watching this video, his number will be on the screen.
Aluminium and
on the
cast
screen.
crankcases and cast crankcase, mold complete full engine block, mount piston, all this.
Where your fuel tank? Where's the fuel tank? Is it outside?
The fuel tank. The fuel tank is here. This is the fuel tank.
Come show fuel tank.
After here we go buy fuel now.
After here we dey go buy fuel.
It use fuel and gas.
So wait, now where the gas? Where do you put the gas?
Look at this nozzle. Let me open.
After here we are going to buy fuel in a filling station.
Let me open the bonnet.
You get bonnet?
Yes.
Go back, small big fish. It's a lie.
This is the gas pipe.
The gas pipe
that is feeding the engine. When the fuel finish,
when the
will switch to gas.
You say?
When once the fuel finishes, you will switch to gas. You understand? This is the gas pipe. You understand? Yeah. So, but it's very, very risky because I'm supposed to have cylinder that I would have used on it, but this one is fiber. That is why I'm not putting too much of gas. You understand? Yeah. Liquid gas. 1 kilo.
Evaporate.
Yes, 1 kilo can take you to Akwa Ibom State and come back. A kilo of gas.
A kilo of what? From Calabar to Akwa
Ibom and come back, and you still use it. You still use it to flex within the town.
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best homemade car in Nigeria. Quote me anywhere. Trust me, the features in these cars, I swear they are miraculous.
See, this car can move from here to Lagos. This car can reach Lagos.
This car can reach Lagos in as far as
how many liters? Calabar to Lagos.
When once you fill this tank, you are
how
going
many
to
liters fill your
when
tank?
once just 5 liters of fuel. 5 liters of fuel in this car can take this car to Benin.
5 liters from Calabar to Benin.
Yes.
It's gone.
5
Are you
liters
serious?
take this car to Benin.
That means they go Benin this. I dey go Benin.
Just for you to put the fuel, and when once you start, the fuel is only helping the engine to start. When once it start, the supply cease.
See, boss.
The car will start
this guy to Benin.
Yes.
We'll try him.
You go bring drivers go there.
Even no, I'm ready for you to go.
Like on a serious, like we'll go live.
There is no problem.
On a private trip. Ladies and gentlemen, see, before we end this video, if you're watching this video and you support and you love hard work, I'd like you guys to see, we don't know who God wants to use to bless him. You know, this is creative.
That is 10 bags of cement.
10 bags of cement.
Go show them.
This car they carry 10 bags of cement. Otilo, will you people want to enter this car?
Yes. You can load cement.
Don't you take her?
Here and inside. And drive to anywhere. I drive this car.
Don't you come?
Wow. Women could be using in the rural areas. Actors will be using also.
Can you make this car look like a luxury kind of car?
Yes, I said I need support because I have spent up to 1.7 million naira
on
this level. You understand? But my money has finished, so I decided to bring it. I am not supposed to bring it out.
I'm coming. Hold on. No, see, every journey that gets starting points now. Yes. Nigerians, if you're watching this video and you love good talent, I'd like you to first of all share this video. Share this video first. Let's support this guy. I want this video to go viral as far as it can.
Yes, it should go places. See, anybody when not share this video now be say no like.
If you are watching this video as Koboko has said, please share this video. Let it go viral. People, please talk to them.
I beg. If you not share this video, now be say chop wish now. Because normal person supposed share this kind of video now.
See see me do video. I beg. Come on, man. Come on. See what happens.
Go test the car. It's 15 drivers now.
Go test the car. Let them enter. May we enter. Oh yeah. Me I dey fear o. That's small. Where the driver? Na me go dey from. Oh boy.
No, don't enter.
Don't enter yet, please. So we will not account for.
Make carry us go that police station.
Okay, Oga.
We no dey go far.
Carry us go filling station.
And this guy is remote control.
Hey! Go outside. Jesus! This car, the first Nigerian car, homemade car, wey get remote. Now, make it not be like say the Oga no bobo also. Come far. Where we see the remote. Ladies and gentlemen, this car uses a remote. This car, this thing. This car, they use remote. Oga start am. Wait, people.
See what you get remote.
Wait. Up. I don't die you. Oga, wait. Up am. No, come stand here on am. Come. Oga, come. Maybe. Oh yeah, wait. Maybe I go there. Oh yeah. Oga, stand there. Wait,
You press the throttle.
You use your leg. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, now pick the guy from there. The guy won't start the car. The car dey off. We remote. 1, 2, go. Pick. Wow! See, if you are not an enemy of progress, you share this video. His number is on the screen. You guys can call him.
See, may just flex and make children see.
Carry us. But use remote, start up.
Use remote. Start up again. Start
Come on there. Be careful. Hey! God, I beg you. I cover my life with the blood of Jesus. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We dey go filling station. We are going to the filling station. They go. No turn. Don't do. The person wey don pass o. We are reverse.
You dey reverse.
The car dey reverse. The car dey reverse o. The car dey reverse o. Hey! Wow! This car na what? Naija! What? Hey! Are you playing? Chairman, I go support you. You don't do. Come down. See, chairman, come outside, I beg. And we don't say I no go do anything, but as it be like this, make I be the first person to support this your work, and we will support you with. I don't know how much they inside though.
But we never give this guy.
Spram the money. Spram.
So Nigerians, me I be no come here to even give you money, but as it be like this, no, me I no spray. I will support you. I don't know how much they inside though. I be just come on some.
Spray me.
Must spray you.
I remember where that boy. How can they pick the money? See your boy.
I want to spray you this morning. In the say as I dey spray this money, more money go come.
Amen.
Let's go. Video. Let's go. As I dey spray you this money, more money go come. Hey, this money go go. He go go. As we dey spray, more go come.
Amen.
As we dey spray, more go come. 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 Thank you. Wetin dey happen? Chairman. Hey, bro. Chairman.
I tell am before now.
Who be that? Who carry am? Okay, Sabia. No need. Me Ola. So see, I love. I greet you. Go bring back up. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I like us to support this young man here. You know.
From here we go buy fuel.
We go buy fuel from here. Thank you, my chairman. What do you get to tell Nigerians when they watch this video?
Well, I just want to tell Nigerians that they should keep on moving. They should not reason about the fuel subsidy that Tinubu have changed.
Yeah.
It is possible that God can make a way when it seems to be no way.
Yeah.
Don't stain yourself. Keep on moving and keep on bringing out ideas. God will give you more grace. Thank you very much. Please, I beg you to share this video because we have more to come.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you more for fuel.
Voila. Where your tank dey? Where the tank dey?
Dada, I need to take 2 million naira to put in this project.
Because of the rain, no. More fine and white. I will take part. This one, we shoot
this thing for this filling station.
Enter this place. Yeah. We get one place where they are around here.
Hey.
For pay me, you know, what's in the family there?